my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video I'm going to show you the live price prediction of the Ravencoin and which the prices goes in the future and currently in this time. So before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates about cryptocurrency market, friends. First of all, we look the last 1 hour price prediction of the Ravencoin. What's the change goes, what's the high price of Ravencoin in the last 1 hour. After that, we look the last 1 hour price prediction and we are trying to predict what's the change goes and the future coming soon days, friends. As you can see here, they are loading, so if you don't subscribe my channel, so kindly subscribe my channel for more videos. As you can see here, very badly fast for Ravencoin. Also, as you can see here, the change as a negative 1.87%, and the high price of Ravencoin is 0.249 USD dollar is the high price of Ravencoin in the last 1 hour, friends. If you look the current price of the Ravencoin in the crypto market, so the current price is about 0.1888 USD dollar is the current price of Ravencoin, friends. Now if we look the graph, so absolutely I'm very sad to see this kind of changes occurs in the Ravencoin. A really bad fast occurs in the Ravencoin at this time, friends. Now friends, if we try to predict what's the next target goes in the Ravencoin, so it is clear for us that now in this period Ravencoin also in the falling mood, so that is why I think they are falls down in the future in the coming soon days. As you can see here, they obey this pattern, take a jump and falls down for a little time, and again take a jump, falls down, take a jump, falls down. That is a pattern of Ravencoin. They take a jump for a small time and after a jump again falls down. Same process occur in Ravencoin. So if this kind of process continues in Ravencoin, so hope this kind of change continues. So in the coming soon days they falls down. As you can see here, if we look the average level, so every level and direction are in the downward, so that's means that the dumping occur in Ravencoin in the coming soon days and the future in the upcoming days. So friends, I think 70% chances today falls down and 30% chances today move upward in the coming soon days. What's your opinion about Ravencoin? Please share your opinion in the comment box and remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates about cryptocurrency markets. Thank you so much for watching this video.